Students, in the previous video, we discussed interior angles theorem. I hope you have understood it well. So let's proceed to learn corresponding angles theorem. The theorem statement is, the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. So here the lines are given parallel and we have to prove the corresponding angles are of equal measures. So here line L and line M are parallel lines and line N is a transversal, and we have to prove that angle A and angle B, which are corresponding angles, are equal. So here we are going to make use of angles in linear pair. If you observe the figure carefully, you can see that angle A and angle C are forming a linear pair. So here angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. It is statement number 1, and the reason is angles in linear pair. Other than linear pair, we have one more pair of angles, which is angle C and angle B. These two angles are interior angles, and you have already learned that interior angles are supplementary. So we can write the next statement as angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, statement number 2, and the reason is property of interior angles of parallel lines. If you observe the two statements, the right hand side of two statements is same, that is 180 degrees. So we can equate the left hand side. So after that we get angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle C, and the reason is from 1 and 2. Now here angle C is common on both the sides, so we can eliminate this angle. Therefore after elimination we get angle A is equal to angle B. These two angles are corresponding angles, and we had to prove that corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Therefore we have proved that corresponding angles are equal. Now let's proceed to the next theorem, which is alternate angles theorem. The theorem statement is, the alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. We are going to refer the same figure. So here line L is parallel to line M and line N is their transversal. Here we have to prove that angle B and angle D, which are alternate angles, are congruent. So to prove is angle D is equal to angle B. Again we are going to make use of angles in linear pair and interior angles. If you observe, we have a pair of angles in linear pair, so which is angle D and angle C. So we can write the statement as angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, statement number 1, and the reason is angles in linear pair. We have one pair of interior angles as well, angle B and angle C, and we know that interior angles are supplementary. So we can write angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, statement number 2, and the reason is property of interior angles of parallel lines. So by equating both the equations left hand side, as their right hand sides are equal, we get angle D plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle C. So here again angle C is common on both the sides, which we can eliminate. So after eliminating we get angle D is equal to angle B, and that is what we were supposed to prove. So here we have proved that alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Students, today we have discussed three theorems in all. The first one was interior angles theorem, second was corresponding angles theorem, and the third theorem was alternate angles theorem. I hope you have understood all these three theorems very well. So please revise them at home, and in the next session we will discuss few more theorems. So till then, bye and take care.